10 lines on Republic Day. Indian Republic Day is celebrated on January 26th every year. It marks the day when the Constitution of India came into effect in 1950. The main event is held in the national capital, New Delhi, where a grand parade is held at Rajpath. The President of India hoists the national flag and the national anthem is played. The parade showcases India's cultural and military heritage. State floats from different parts of the country are also featured in the parade. The day is also marked by patriotic speeches, cultural programs, and community events. The Indian Armed Forces also put on a display of their weaponry and march past. The day is a national holiday and is celebrated with great enthusiasm across the country. The celebration of Republic Day symbolizes the unity and integrity of the country and its people. Happy Republic Day!